This is Steve White, Action Weather News. Summertime, Atlanta, 100 degrees. And monsoon. Monsoon rain. What the fuck? I'm sorry, Bill. What the fudge? How does this happen? Let's ask Bob in the studio. We don't know. It's fucking summertime, global warming. Back to you, Steve. Yes, so, yeah, seriously though. It's 100 degrees and it's fucking pouring. This is Steve White, Action Weather News. Back to you.